Maria Carmela Gana Araujo.
Good afternoon, everyone. A warm hello to all the Assumption sisters, the college president, Paula Regala, to all the old girls joining us today, and most especially to our celebrating jubilarians of 2024. Welcome home. Joining us today is our oldest living celebrating gem, Maria Dizon Gamboa, or Laura Maring. She is from high school batch 1944. Her simplicity, prayers, devotion to Mother Mary, whom she was named after, is the source of all her blessing and the fount to her longevity. We are so happy you can celebrate with us. She's here somewhere in her uniform. Yes, welcome, Lola Marie. This year's Velada theme is Achieve, as we unite together to commemorate every milestones from grand achievements to the small victories and growth along the way. But before we get to the much anticipated Velada, let me give everyone an update of our activity-filled year. As many of you know, this portion of the program also serves as the annual general membership meeting of the AAA. Sorry, my English teacher is here, I think. So let me share with you some figures of the year that has passed and some activities that are still ongoing. In 2023, we disbursed a total of 5,827,000. This is broken down to the Assumption College, to the Bring Them Home Project, to ADEV, AMA, MEI, MRMF, and the AAA. So for your information, the pie is always funded by the previous year's jubilarian. So this year's pie is funded through the tireless effort and generous hearts of the 2023 jubilarians. Here they are, may we call on. For the first time in the history of AAA, we have College Silver 1998 presenting their check of 85,000. We have Jana Puruganan, Nicole Cabrera, JJ Serra, Iser Gustillo, and Bing. Please enter. Bing Benarobra. For the first time in history, college is committed. Thank you. Now we have from batch high school 1958, the Blue Diamonds of last year. We have Mary Ann Pernas, Millie Salvatierra, Ason Bautista, and Patsy Henson. Are they here? Yes, yes they are. They are here presenting their check for 100,000 pesos. Next we have last year's diamond, batch 1963. We have Rosalinda Francisco, Jillian Carlos Pineda, Gina Suarez, Sister Stella Sanz, and Sister Bernie. They're here presenting 50,000 pesos. Then our golden batch of last year, 1973. We have Regina Cosio San Miguel, Zita Gabaldon, Marivic Mojica, Vivian Madrigal, and Lori Reynoso, presenting to us 1,200,000 pesos. Next, we have sapphires of last year from batch 1978. We have Cynthia Menchaca, Marlu Balmaceda, Bonet de los Reyes, Chona Gana, and Mary Rose Damaso, presenting their check for 197,800 pesos. Next, from the Ruby of last year, 1983, We have Anna Singson, who is actually my vice president on the AAA board, Gina Gamboa Pimentel, Bledes Forres Legarda, Cynthia Cunalim, Joy Ledesma Lagdameo, Dr. Felina Cruz, and Risa Sanchez Murga, presenting their check of 1 million pesos. Now we have from the Jade of last year, high school batch 1988, we have Tonette Calderon Crisostomo, Simon Sawit Rodrigo, Cheche Baluyot Gonzalez, presenting there, and Mary Faye Garcia, presenting their check of 250,000 pesos. And then we have our bird of last year. From 1993, we have Jenny Silayan, Cecil Santiago, Rhea Manoto, Elise Tino, and Ria Dam, presenting their check of 400,000. And last but not the least, we have last year's silver, batch 1998. We have Ana Mejia Beltran, Karen Carlos Tordesillas, Ika Santos, Ana Ramos Tan, and Sunshine Figueres Galang, presenting us with their 2,01,998,000. Thank you everyone. Take a bow. One round of applause for everyone. Thank you. We continue with our clubbing activities that everyone enjoys, like the ever popular crocheting, and most importantly, we continue our outreach program, teaching English familiarization to grade 5 students of San Juan de Maceno High School in Malibay. Please come and join us and be a part of this very fun and transformative program. Our college alumni committee once again facilitated elections, orientations, and oath-taking for our college graduates. We are also very happy to have College Silver Batch 1999 joining our celebration today. This year, we collaborated with Read to Achieve Foundation's Alpha Basa Teacher Training Program with the help of the AY Foundation. Next, we have Chapter Committee alongside Faith and Spirituality Committee and Assumption Together for the 3rd year in a row, reached out to our alumni across the seas to host the St. Marie Eugenie Rosary over 4 Saturdays this October. Old girls from Europe, the US, Canada, Australia, Asia has volunteered to take part in this. We also invited all alumni to actively take part in our quarterly masses for the dearly departed, Stations of the Cross, and Assumption Day Mass. The website committee continues to provide us with inspiring and heartwarming articles or features of Old Girls and its editions. We have been asking different batches to sponsor some editions and highlight deserving classmates and or causes. Do let us know if you would like your batch to take part in this. Once again, we welcome 174 golfers to Santa Elena and Golf Club to spend the whole day of fun and camaraderie. August 12 was another perfect day for golf, and I want to thank Sister Anna and Sister Joe once again for always being there for us. Speaking of our purple dots, we took on yet another project which benefits the rebuilding of the home of our beloved nuns. Magnificart is an online auction which was held last September 28 and 29. We had over 400 art pieces, jewelry, home, and religious items. And now we are closer to our goal to bring them home. Contact us if you would like to help rebuild the homes of the nuns who shaped us. After last year's very successful bazaar held in SMX Aura, we hope you can all join us once again this coming November 16 and 17. Our committee promises to have a very good mix of vendors for you to enjoy, so hope to see you all there. And last but not the least, the Nomination and Election Committee, or NOMELEC. We encourage people from here and abroad to take part in the electoral process of voting for your 2025 trustees. With that, we are quite excited to announce the results of the 2024 online elections. Without further ado, AAA's new board members are Pudgy Carcerena Garcia, Nena Fera Fulle, Katz Regala Ordulio, Pichi Talanay, and Gladys Santiago Zafra. Congratulations to the newest board members. The board looks forward to working with you next year. My deepest thanks as well to the entire 2024 Board of Trustees, especially my unstoppable committee heads and the AAA staff. Here they are. Please give them a warm round of applause. Thank you. So to quote the Silver Jubilarians motto, live with life, serve with passion, grow in love. The Assumption Alumni has proven this time and time again. Just look at us. And since my sincerest gratitude to all of you, your generosity and willingness to help and serve, even in the smallest of ways, has come a long way. Together, we can make a big difference. You are all indeed women of faith and women of action. I hope I have achieved to make my report short and sweet, because now it's time for the main event. Hosted this year by Silver Batch of 1999, their theme Achieve is very unique to each and every individual. It comes in different forms, but what matters most is that it gives one a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Happy old girls to all, and congratulations once again to the 2024 Jubilarians. I am sure we're in for a wonderful velada. All hail!